The 2027 Cadillac Lyriq might already look like a tech showcase on the surface, but the real magic happens beneath the menus. Beyond the massive display and headline features, there's a deeper layer most drivers never explore. Hidden tech tricks. One of the coolest discoveries is the hidden developer mode buried inside system settings. With a simple tap sequence, you unlock animation controls, letting you cut transition speeds in half for a noticeably faster, snappier interface. Even more surprising, the system can support up to 5 active Bluetooth connections at once when configured properly. That's a huge jump from typical limits, making it perfect for shared driving or passengers juggling multiple devices. Then there's the regenerative braking paddle, which many assume is just an on or off switch. It's actually pressure sensitive, meaning you can finely control braking intensity just by adjusting how hard you pull it. Luxury details. Inside, Cadillac pushes subtle luxury in a very modern way. The dark ash wood trim isn't just decorative. It glows from within thanks to ambient lighting shining through laser-etched patterns, creating a soft, futuristic atmosphere at night. Noise cancellation has also evolved, using microphones around the vehicle to detect road noise and cancel it through the speaker system. The result feels like a personal quiet zone rather than just a quieter cabin. Even the panoramic roof gets smarter, with voice integration through Google Assistant. Just say it's too bright and the sunshade automatically closes, adding a layer of convenience that quickly becomes second nature. Performance secrets. For performance enthusiasts, the Lyriq Viv hides a special competitive mode that allows manual torque distribution. You can bias power toward the rear wheels, giving the SUV a more dynamic and engaging driving feel. Another underrated feature is full vehicle-to-home capability. With the right setup, the Lyriq can power the essential parts of your house during outages, turning your EV into a backup energy source when you actually need it. Cadillac also improves sensor reliability with tiny heating elements built into cameras and radar units. This keeps Super Cruise functioning properly even in cold or frosty conditions, reducing those frustrating system interruptions. The 2027 Lyriq proves that the best features aren't always the ones advertised. If you enjoy discovering hidden tech and smart engineering, this SUV has plenty to explore. Subscribe for more insider breakdowns and real-world insights like this.